Morning, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike running another motor today. Today's motor is a 1971 9.5 horsepower Johnson. It's a repair job I did. You can see the repair work on my earlier video on it. So we're going to run it today on the lovely Bayou Teche here in Cajun country in Breaux Bridge, Louisiana. But before we do that, I decided to add something to my videos. A little Cajun culture tidbit to each one. So I'll probably run over 100 motors and videoed on the waterways that are close to me here in Breaux Bridge, and there's several. I've either been in the Bayou Teche, which is here, Lake Martin, which is south of here, Henderson Swamp, Bayou Ami, Atchafalaya River. I try to move around a little bit. I just love being out on these waterways. So I'm going to add a little culture, 30 seconds or a minute video on the legend of the Bayou Teche. This bayou is 124 miles long and was actually the path of the Mississippi River between 2,000 and 4,000 years ago. The Mississippi River changes course about every 1,000 years. So this was a main waterway before the white settlers came into this part of the world. So this next little video gives you more information about the legend of Bayou Teche. Alright, so the legend of Bayou Teche. Legend has it, before the white people settled on the Bayou Teche, the Indian tribe called the Chitimaches settled here, and there was a huge snake, more than 124 miles long, that they were battling, the tribe was battling. And the chief decided to call all the warriors together and have a battle against this large snake. Of course, there were no guns back in those days. It was all knives and spears, and they fought the snake forever until they finally killed the snake. And during the battle, the snake curled and coiled and snaked all around, and where it decomposed, left the ground sunken and formed the waterway of the Bayou Teche, which, by the way, the word Teche in Chitimache means snake. So the head of the snake is down south in Morgan City, goes through Berwick, Centerville, Baldwin, Generette, New Iberia, St. Martinville, and Breaux Bridge, which is where we are right now. So the Bayou Teche was named by the Chitimache Indians because of the large snake they killed. And that is the legend of Bayou Teche. Right, now let's give this baby a little run. can see, she runs great. Pushes my little 14-foot John boat here about 15 miles an hour. So she's really good. Hope you all enjoyed the video. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!